The European Union welcomed Poland's Justice Minister Adam Bodnar in Brussels this afternoon and praised his new plan to restore the rule of law and dismantle policies held by the former nationalist government, which led to the freezing of billions of euros in EU funds due to concerns over judicial independence. Bodnar said the reaction to the plan from member states had been very positive after he presented it to his counterparts at today's meeting. The deputy head of the European Commission, Vera Jourova, also said the response was positive and called the action plan realistic and an action plan that should restore the independence of the judiciary, which she said was at stake. Poland's Law and Justice Party, which ruled for 8 years, carried out a deep overhaul of the judiciary, which the European Union said damaged democratic checks and balances and brought courts under political influence. On the other hand, many say that this so-called restoration of the rule of law in Poland is in reality just a restoration of EU control over the Polish judiciary, and hence all the smiling faces at the European Commission today.
Ladies and gentlemen, I can confirm what the minister just said, that there was bardzo pozytywna reakcja at the Council, because you can imagine after 6 years of discussions about the Polish judiciary reform and the whole situation, we heard today from Minister Bodnar, I believe, realistic plan, the action plan which should restore independence of judiciary, which is at stake.
As a result of disputes between the Commission and Poland's previous government, the European Commission had held back billions of dollars in euros in funds earmarked for Poland, just as it did and still does in the case of Hungary. Poland's new government, however, still faces resistance from law and justice supporters and allies, who include President Andrzej Duda and some high-profile judges, to reverse the changes and resolve the dispute.